one thing I learned from last semester is that Hollywood are all lies. So, before I come here, so last semester was my first time living in America. And before I come here, I know a little bit about America, like its history, its culture, but my source is very, very limited, which is from Hollywood. So, before I come here, I imagine America as in like a place where there's always people that are like shouting for Ellen show, or people getting super pumped up by Super Bowl, or even those kind of crazy high school people, high school cliques, or like those crazy drama and everything. That's what I thought of America. So when I come here, at first I thought, on the first day when I come to the class, I feel like, it feels kind of different. Everyone isn't as pumped up as I thought. That's kind of weird, but I roll with it. And after time, I started to realize, I feel like the place here is not as outgoing as I thought. And I kind of felt bad. I felt that I was lied. I got into this big lie called Hollywood. And I thought, is this because of Georgia Tech? Because Georgia Tech has a reputation of people focusing very much on academics and they become nerds. Well, it's not a bad thing because I'm a nerd as well. So I actually thought about transferring at first. But what happened this semester made me realize I was totally wrong. So this semester, when I come back to school, everything is still like the same. Nothing has ever changed. But I realized that every day when I go to class, I feel nervous of asking questions during lectures, especially when the professor asks, can anyone tell me what the answer to that is? And the whole lecture will become silent. I feel that everyone is feeling very introverted or very reserved because they're afraid of telling the true answer. But I was talking about this to one of my friends. I was like, is it true? Does everyone think of it like that? And he said, no. And that makes me think for a long time. And I come to this conclusion. And then Ellen show come. Does anyone go there yet? No. But everyone went to Super Bowl, right? Like, at least heard of it. Yeah, everyone, like, there are a lot of things happening here, and there are so many amazing people. They're just as hyped as they're very hyped and very energetic, but I didn't realize that because I am the person who is not energetic at first, because I am the person who is reserved, because I am the person who thought that everyone else feels like that because I feel like that. But this is not the case. What I see the world is actually a projection of myself, not the actual world. So from going to the Ellen show where everyone just went crazy, I felt like, yes, in fact, I am the person from the beginning that has this image projected, that has this image of the world projected onto me. What the world actually is always from myself. And is the world energetic or is it not? Is everyone else feeling some emotion as I thought? Well, it's really up to you. It's really about how you think of it. And when I thought about that, I was like, okay, maybe this is not the case. And with that perspective, I started to discover everything. I started to really look deep into other people, really think from other people's perspective. And I found that this place is an amazing place. And it's up to how I think of it that really shows how it is. Is that what it says?